said, "Sir, please come." So please pick our lucky winner.
Welcome sa Filipino sa Africa.
Hello guys! Welcome back sa aking channel. So kasama ko ngayon si Jovi. May Independence Day ang mga Filipino community dito sa Mozambique. So see you there! Dito na kami guys.
Let's begin with our coordinators from Maputo, Miss Beverly Estrella, and from Matola, Miss Jonah Trillios.
Two very beautiful ladies, kindly come up front to be recognized. Palakpakan po natin sila.
Our two reliable business managers, whose behind-the-scenes work supports every event, Mr. Jovi Ramil and Mr. Carlo Kasama.
Gentlemen, please take your place on stage. A warm round of applause for both of them.
The Guardian of Transparency, our auditor, Mr. James Usigan.
Hey, Sir James, kindly join your fellow officers. Let's give him a big hand.
Handling our finances with care and accuracy, our treasurer, Miss Cherilu Shipan.
Please step forward, Miss Chair. A round of applause for this beautiful Pili-Pili, everyone.
Ensuring our communication and documentation are always in order, our secretary, Miss Nora De Guzman.
Ma'am Nora, we invite you to please join your colleagues at stage and join me somewhere else later in the note. Let's show her an appreciation. Now, we move on to our top leaders. First, the ever-dependable Vice President, whose presence is a pillar of support and leadership, Mr. Martini John Ferrero. Sir Martini, please join your feet. A big hand for our Vice President, please. And finally, we proudly call on stage our President, a dedicated educator at Brandura International School and a multiple-term leader of Philcommons, Mr. Danilo Malto. Sir Dan, please join your officers at the front. Ladies and gentlemen, let's clap and give the loudest round of applause for our President. Muli, maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang paglilingkod at malasakit sa ating komunidad. You are truly the strength behind every success of Philcommons. Ladies and gentlemen, your 2025 Philcommons Executive Officers. It's now time for some inspirational messages. Words that will ground us in purpose and uplift us as a community. This message offers us a chance to reflect on our collective journey and to gain some insights from leaders who represent our nation's hopes and values.
We begin with the message of Ambassador Noralie Jubars Baha to be delivered by Ms. Rodessa Lazarte, followed by the message of President Ferdinand Marcos, to be delivered by Mr. Lawrence Espinosa.
The message of Ambassador Noraline Juwairah to the Filipino community on the occasion of the 127th anniversary of Declaration of Philippine Independence. Mga kababayan, the Philippine Embassy in Pretoria joins you in the celebration of the 127th anniversary of the Proclamation of Philippine Independence. As we commemorate another year of the declaration of our freedom, let us reflect on the theme of the celebration. Kalayaan, kinabukasan, kasaysayan. Freedom, future, history. Let us continue to honor our Filipino heritage by building on the sacrifices of our forebears and working towards a better Philippines for future generations. This can only be done by supporting and working together towards this common goal. Our warm greetings and congratulations to the Filipino community in Mozambique, the Philcomogs, led by its officers and members, for its unwavering leadership in organizing the annual National Day celebration and for continuing to provide support and care to the Filipinos in Mozambique. The Embassy takes pride in the achievements of all Filipinos which have contributed to the development and advancement of your host country, to which many of you have become a second home. Through your hard work, integrity, dedication in various fields, be it in education, healthcare, engineering, business, or any other profession, and be it these as a dedicated spouse, or housemaker, or parent, you contribute not only to the development of your host country, but also to the upliftment of families and our nation back home. We salute you for upholding our traditions and values, especially our pakikipagkapwa, even while facing challenges and adversities in a foreign land. Continue to uphold the Bayanihan spirit, close family ties, respect for elders, and a deep sense of community. The Filipino community is an indispensable partner of the Embassy in its work. And with your support, we're able to discuss and provide avenues to address specific issues and challenges facing our community. We look up to you as our inspiration and our support as we commit to uphold the same values and the highest standard of professionalism. We look forward to our closer engagements in the outreach missions, cultural events, and town hall meetings. On this auspicious occasion of our anniversary as a free nation, let us stand proud and stay united as we carry on the task of a nation building for the benefit of the next generation of Filipinos. Ang kinabukasan ng ating bansa ay nasa ating mga kamay. Maligayang araw ng kasarinlan sa ating lahat. Mabuhay po ang bansang Pilipinas at mabuhay po tayong lahat.
Thank you, Ms. Vanessa. To deliver the message of our President Ferdinand Marcos. Yes, sir. Mr. Lawrence Espinosa.
I stand together with the entire Filipino nation as we commemorate the 127th anniversary of the proclamation of the Philippine independence. Today, we celebrate one of the proudest milestones in our history. The moment our flag was first unfurled in the sky that eventful day in 1898 in Kawit, Cavite. The journey to reach that moment was long, arduous, and costly. Required the sacrifice of selfish individuals for over a century. Because of this terrorism, we now enjoy the rights and privilege reserved for those who have a country that we can call our own. The freedom of our forebears fought for our inspired generations to offer themselves the causes that would advance the welfare of society and humanity. This precious gift that has encountered countless individuals to dedicate their diligence and devotion to their respective fields for the glory of our great nation. This is why we value our heritage by striving for excellence and preserving the rights and freedom, ensuring that they are used solely for the improvement and protection of our country. So let us continue to bear the vigor of our ancestors as we defend our nation against those who seek to diminish the strength of our people. In the spirit of patriotism, let us honor our priceless freedom by building a country worthy of the sacrifices made by our heroes. May your endeavor to enhance our abilities and character to give more to our nation. Through our collective efforts, we will forge the path of progress, stability, and prosperity for our present and future generation. Mabuhay ang malayang Pilipino, mabuhay ang bagong Pilipino. Signed, Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., Manila, June 12, 2025, Malacanang Palace.
Got a secret.
Maraming salamat po. Let us extend our heartfelt gratitude to Ms. Rodessa Sarque and Mr. Lawrence Espinosa for lending their voices to deliver these meaningful messages. Your time and effort have helped us feel more connected to our leaders and the homeland we hold dear.
At this point, let us give the floor to someone who has played a vital role in fostering strong ties between the Filipino community and the Mozambican society. He served as the Philippine Consul in Mozambique and has always extended his dedication and support to our kababayans here. Friends, please join me in welcoming Mr. Donald Posidas.
Dapat meron.
Ay, mamaya.
Hi.
Hello.
Thank you. It's an honor to be here today with you guys. I have tried to approach to all of you, and it's a great opportunity today, celebrating the 127th Independence Day of the Philippines, to pronounce some words to you. Words of passion and gratitude about the time we spent together all those years as your honorary consul in the Republic of Mozambique. I am very, very much touched for not to continue, but as you see, God's life, we have to open space to others and also to receive other responsibilities inside the big community that is our home.
now focus on other areas that is inside the same group. Peace, development, know how to do, you know very well, and you know what is good, what is bad. I don't have to tell you anything else. I have to say God bless you, and let's continue together no matter what, no matter what. Anything, just come for me anytime. Thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you, Mr. Tulsidas. Indeed, we never say goodbye. Instead, we look forward to always seeing you again. Thank you as well for that heartfelt and meaningful message. Your presence here today is a great honor and reminder of the enduring friendship and support you have always shown the Filipino community, the Filipinos specifically. Long live and thank you. Now, we move on to part 2, a true celebration of Filipino culture and talent through performances from our beloved school.
Let us all enjoy the cultural show as we proudly present the vibrant talents of the Filipino community in Mozambique through traditional talents and modern Filipino dances. Each performance is a tribute to our heritage and a celebration of our culture's rhythm and soul.
Maputo International College opens our cultural show with Maputo International College for bringing us
Girl, ang ganda ng presentation nyo!
Let's give him another round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Ganda, te! Bongga!
Okay, next, we welcome Ranger International School with their rendition of Sinulo, a colorful and rhythmic dance honoring the Santo Niño. celebrated with great devotion in Cebu. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Grandeur International School!
Oo nga, kayang ba nila? Sinabihan niyo sila na maglalaro. Tang area. Dapat ganyan din tayo. Papalapit na po kami mga kapatid.
Truly a stunning portrayal of faith and festivity. Grandeur International School captured the essence of the Cebulo with passion and precision.